In the bustling metropolis of Unity City, a city known for its diversity and unity, a powerful superhero named Solaris had been protecting the citizens for years. Solaris, whose real name was Alex Reynolds, possessed the incredible ability to harness the energy of the sun, using it to fly through the sky and unleash searing blasts of solar energy to vanquish any threat that dared to endanger the city. Unity City had thrived under Solaris' protection, but there was one villain who had eluded him for years, the enigmatic and malevolent Dr. Obsidian. Dr. Obsidian was a brilliant scientist who had turned to the dark side, using his genius intellect and dark magic to commit crimes that left the city in chaos. One fateful day, Dr. Obsidian hatched a diabolical plan to plunge Unity City into eternal darkness. He had created a device capable of blocking out the sun, casting the city into a perpetual night. The citizens of Unity City were terrified, and they looked to Solaris for salvation. Solaris, determined to stop Dr. Obsidian's sinister plan, confronted the villain in a fierce battle atop the city's tallest skyscraper. The clash between the two titans shook the very foundations of Unity City. Solaris fought valiantly, but Dr. Obsidian's dark magic proved formidable. As the battle raged on, Solaris could feel his powers waning as the sun was obscured by Dr. Obsidian's device. Desperate to save his beloved city, Solaris made a desperate decision. He tapped into a forbidden reservoir of dark energy, allowing him to match Dr. Obsidian's power. The battle intensified, but in doing so, Solaris began to lose himself to the darkness. The very power he had used to save the city was corrupting his soul. In the midst of their epic battle, Solaris unleashed a devastating blast of dark energy at Dr. Obsidian, intending to end the villain's reign of terror once and for all. But as the blast struck its target, it also consumed Solaris, transforming him into a shadow of his former self. Dr. Obsidian, weakened and injured, managed to escape, leaving Solaris to wander the city, corrupted by the dark energy he had harnessed. Unity City fell into a deep despair, with its once beloved hero now a looming threat. Days turned into weeks, and Unity City's hope dwindled. But then, a glimmer of hope appeared in the form of Sarah Reynolds, Alex's younger sister. She had always admired her brother's selflessness and heroism, and she refused to give up on him. Sarah embarked on a quest to find a way to save her brother from the darkness that had consumed him. She delved into ancient texts and consulted with wise mystics, determined to find a way to break the dark enchantment that had taken hold of Solaris. Finally, after much searching and studying, Sarah discovered a powerful spell that could purify the dark energy within her brother. Armed with this newfound knowledge, she confronted Solaris at their childhood home, where their bond was strongest. As the siblings faced each other, Solaris hesitated for a moment, recognizing the love and determination in Sarah's eyes. With a heavy heart, she cast the purification spell, enveloping Solaris in a blinding light. The darkness that had consumed him began to dissipate, and he cried out in agony as the dark energy was expelled from his body. In the end, Solaris was saved by the love of his sister, and Unity City was once again bathed in the warm glow of the sun. Dr. Obsidian was apprehended and brought to justice, and Solaris returned to his role as the city's protector, more determined than ever to keep Unity City safe from the forces of darkness.